Bonding and metering technology at a new level with t-s-i.de. Our mixing and metering systems cover a huge range of applications. t-s-i.de systems are used in many sectors all over the globe, including automotive and automotive supply industry, commercial vehicle production, window and door production, glass facades, bus, truck and rail industry, shipbuilding industry, motorhome and caravan construction. Rely on a qualified service that sets standards. We believe in the value of engineering and manufacturing made in Germany. t-s-i.de is a family-run company in the second generation. Since 1998, we have been developing solutions for process-oriented bonding, thereby significantly contributing to quality improvement. We develop automated solutions with robotics or linear systems tailored to our customers' individual needs. Do you require a manual unit, a semi-automatic one, or a system that is fully integrated into your production line? Compatible with different software interfaces, t-s-i.de systems can be seamlessly integrated into your automation solution. Gear metering technology or piston technology, what is best suited to your task? Together with your application engineers, we will develop the t-s-i.de system that not just meets but exceeds your requirements. The open modular system design is extremely flexible and maintenance-friendly. As we exclusively employ components from renowned manufacturers, spare parts are easy to procure worldwide. To ensure optimal handling by employees, we can adjust the hose lengths of our systems individually, even on your premises. We use a modern enterprise resource planning system and offer international express shipping. Most of our parts are available from stock. We love challenges and look forward to yours. t-s-i.de, technology that bonds.